What's going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plugs on a 2014 Ford Escape. Tools you're going to need are 5/8 spark plug socket, extension, and a ratchet, an 8mm, some dielectric grease, spark plugs, and spark plug boots. There'll be links down below in the description for all the parts and tools used in this video. First thing you're going to do is pop the hood from the inside. The release is over here. You're going to lift the hood up. You're going to remove this plastic piece. It just clicks on. Set it out of the way. These are the spark plugs underneath these coils. I'm going to do this one here in the middle because it's going to film the best. You're going to pull this little tab back here and then squeeze it down and the plug comes right off. Next we're going to take an 8mm and remove the coil. There's 2 bolts on the coil here. I'm going to loosen them both. And it's just going to lift out. I suggest you replace these coil boots. This one's got a little bit of oil on the end of it. Probably have a leaking valve cover gasket in here. Okay. Okay. The spark plugs are a 5/8, and we have an extension. Working with this cowl panel here is kind of difficult to get one of these long extensions in here. That's why I got one of these flexible ones. I can turn the corner with it. You're gonna have to use a spark plug socket. I got links down below for all the parts and special tools used in this video. Once it's loose, you're just going to lift it out. Might have to move the cowling a little bit, but it's out. It looks like we got quite a bit of oil going down there. Probably want to look into that. Spark plugs that we're using are Motorcrafts. The part number is SP-532. They're iridium. You do not gap them on the 1.6 liter Ford Escape. So we're just going to pull this out. Slide the new one in. I think I'm actually going to use this flexible extension here. It bends. It'll allow me to get in there a little easier. Just going to twist it and get it started. Tighten it back up and slide it back out. But I am going to put some dielectric grease here on the end. Just a little glob. We're just going to slide it back down in there. Put these bolts back in. Tighten them back up with the 8mm. Plug it back in, slide that little tab back over. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other 3, and that's it. High five, you did it. Thanks for watching. All right, we were on this spark plug here and it fell down in between this plastic and the valley that's in the valve cover. If that happens, you can take your phone and kind of video it and you can see what's going on down there. Mine got so far lost I don't even see it, so I'm taking a magnet and I'm gonna fish it out that way. And there it is.